Every good day starts with a good cup of tea. Am I right?
Every epic day starts off with 2 cups of tea.
One for you and one for me.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hello, the Max.
Hello, the pig.
The Mini. So today we're going to empty the Mini. We've actually never done that. I've been putting lots of stuff in it because it's good storage. But it's time to empty it.
And get the doors off.
Doors off, empty it, see what the floor's like, and then lots of sanding, correct?
So you can see like how in some sections it's much thinner and in other sections it's much thicker.
Right, yeah.
That may be to do with the amount of metal that's there when it was panel beaten, but it's probably got more likely to do with uneven paint.
Fair enough. And I bought 3 litres of filler.
I've bought filler as well. Piggy, that looks useful. Take it. Oh, it is. That's the problem. So I weigh 12 stone. Yeah. So to me, you're fine.
These are nasty.
Yeah, but they might be cleanable. Or at least the fabric on the outside. You can always refoam it.
I've got a pair already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tin bin.
I don't think even someone will come get them for free. I don't blame them.
You never know. There's reasons worse. Keeps all these little brackets and stuff. That's not from a Mini.
Really?
You reckon?
Probably the catch that goes in the door, yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine. Well, we'll hang on to that. That is a 10%.
That's really important strip there. Great strip? Yeah, the seam seal strip. I just found the other one. I'll give it with it.
So that looks like it's from a Rover. Is it? What do you reckon? That does have pins that I've never
like.
seen. Yeah. Lick it. Lick it. Lick it. No, I thought you were going to then. I don't know if I was expand that. Oh. There. There. I think it's great for the pile of scrap. However, I do believe the back is okay. Seems it down there needs some attention, and tuck some crust down it. Bunch of crust everywhere. Back along that seat, little spots. It does go quite far, doesn't it? That stuff. Yeah. And I can always buy more. A lot more. But this corner is my concern area. I want to cut that out, really. It's just annoying the way they've done it. I mean, that weld is unreal, isn't it? I mean, I thought I was bad at welding. That's quite something. Cool beans. It's like Rice Krispies, isn't it? It's just awful. I don't know what they use.
Nice purple interior. Stripy purple interior. So, front floor pans have been replaced, but they weren't protected basically, which is a shame. Well, no, it's not, because it was a terrible job. I was going to say it's a shame because it was a good job, but it wasn't a good job. So, we'll cut them out in a bit later. But first, while the weather's good and we've got the Mini right near almost outside, take the advantage and sand the outside.
I tell you what it is. It's a shame that with new parts they did such a bad job.
Yeah. It's not even like they just put some old metal in it.
It's not like it's cheap either. This was quite an expense, and even just welding up that, even just the seam welding and fettling it is quite an
hours
effort.
of work.
But everybody has to learn, so you can't sleep. It does need to come out.
Section.
It could be a classic Renault 5.
Yeah.
That would be much
and then once I'd restored it, I'd still have a Renault.
Oh, yes. They just overlap the new stuff over the really rusty stuff, which is then rusted through the new stuff and even more rusted the old rusty stuff.
Ah! There's holes.
Wasn't me. I was just sanding.
You're not Ziggy. I was like, just throw the stick.
Hey, sit. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Roll over. Roll over. Flynn, roll over. Come on.
Oh,
there we go.
amazing.
Come on, you can have the stick. Look, now you've got a quality dog shot. You're an animal, you know that?